How to fix error code 642 in ESSENT on Windows 10 v2004. Here's how to fix error code 642, aka ESSENT warnings event 642, in ESSENT on Windows 10 v2004 easily, for Windows Insiders only. Upgrade your Windows 10 to the Insider Preview build 20197 in the Dev channel. This would automatically turn off ESSENT warning event ID 642. For more details, see https://blogs.windows.com/windows-hyphen/2020/08/21/announcing-windows-10-insider-preview-build-2017